So for today's video, I have an unboxing for you guys. I received this little package in my doorstep and it was super cute and I was so excited. So I have not opened it yet. Today is my birthday, so that's why I'm all super glammed out. So let me just show you guys real quick. So here is the cute packaging that I got. So here is the cute packaging. It's super cute and girly and I was so excited that it was pink and I think it's really cute and I am ready to open it with you guys right now. This is a Splendies unboxing. So Splendies is a subscription that you guys can join and you guys will receive every single month a pair of cute underwear. You will receive cute underwear. The subscription starts at $13.99 per month. I also have a coupon. You can use the coupon Splendies to get $4 off your first purchase, which is amazing. And they honestly have a size for everybody from small to 4X, so we can all join in. Splendies is so kind that when you use the hashtag give a pair, they will donate a pair to someone in need, which I think is so wonderful and caring. I will leave all the links and the website down below so you guys could subscribe as well and receive some cute underwear. And look how nice, oh my goodness. So it has like a little sticker right here and look at this little tissue paper. I think it's adorable. Let's just see what I got. So you get 3 pairs of underwear. One of the first ones that I got is this one right here. It has really cute lace, really nice red color, and I really like these. I also got these. These are like a periwinkle color with some lace up at the top as well. These are really cute. I really like this color. It's a very fun spring color. And the last pair has to be my favorite. This is another blue color. I love the detail all around. As you guys can see, it has a cute bow up here and then it just has lace all over. And this is definitely a super cute pattern. So this is why these are my favorite. Who doesn't love cute underwear? This just made my day and made me super happy. So remember, if you guys would like cute underwear as well, then join this monthly subscription to get cute underwear straight to your door. And remember, I will leave all the links and the website down in the description box to join in on the fun on getting adorable underwear as well. That is all for this video and that is my unboxing for this month. Hope you guys liked this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!